Hey guys, Alien here from AI's Tech Reviews. In this video, I've got Huawei's FreeBuds 3. These are one of the earbuds Huawei make and look rather familiar if I'm not mistaken. Let's go take a look in the box and see if they're as good as they look. The box doesn't have much to look at. It has a picture of the headphones and the case on the front. The box slides out of the sleeve to reveal the Huawei logo. The first item you'll see in the box are the earbuds, and below that is some warranty material, quick start guide, and a QR code to pair and set up the earbuds. In the other box is a USB-C cable and no brick. As I was saying earlier, Huawei have a very familiar design which almost looks like Apple's AirPods. Huawei called this a dolphin bionic design, which follows the curve of your inner ear to not only transmit sound more deeply, but so they also rest in the ear a little better for extra comfort. Huawei's AI Life app, which runs these earbuds, is a really good app. In the app you can see battery percentage of each earbud and the case, adjust the settings of the earbuds and update their software, as well as see whether or not they're paired to your device at the moment. The case has a 410 mAh battery and each earphone has a 30 mAh battery, which will last about 4 hours, and including the charging case's time will last 20 hours in total. And in those 20 hours you get amazing audio quality. It really is right up there with its Apple competition. The Kirin A1 chip is what allows the FreeBuds 3 to have noise cancelling, but you will have to play about with the settings of it in the app to get it to work right. There are 3 available colors for these earbuds: black, white and red, but for the wired charging case you can only get white for whatever reason. The FreeBuds 3 have Bluetooth 5.1 compatibility and support pop-up and pair if your Huawei phone is running EMUI 10 or later. For controls you can double tap each earphone to skip tracks, pause and resume, and turn noise cancelling on and off. Despite being priced similarly to the regular AirPods, the FreeBuds 3 really are up there with the AirPod Pros, and they're also a lot cheaper, $150 at the moment from Huawei for the FreeBuds 3 versus $250 from Apple for AirPod Pros, yet you're still getting the similar quality and features which are on par with that premium region, and therefore these are a great and pretty easy set of earbuds to recommend buying. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.